What's up, YouTube? So I got this product, saw it on my friend's Accord, and I really liked it because as my channel is growing with your support and everyone's helping me out, I figured I gotta get rid of this one right here where I have a magnetic, well, I have a metal plate in the back of my phone in my case, and this way I could take this off, and this way I can actually go live sometimes for you guys and make a good videos and runs and all that stuff. Definitely I think everyone should get this for their car. I know people keep changing back and forth to like different type of stuff, but I think this is really good because if you loosen up this side, it's hard to work with one hand, but I'll do my best. You can extend it higher as much as you want, or even like backwards all the way. So that's that. Let me try to tighten up a little bit. And then if you loosen the top one, I think it's, yeah, my bad. And then if you loosen the top one, you can actually extend it outwards. Hold on. It's tough to work with one hand. Give me 1 second. Alright, so there you have it. You can extend it outwards, which is pretty cool. And then the suction cup in the bottom is really good. This is high quality. It's really nice. You don't need a 3M tape here or anything like that to stick it. You could easily just push it there, and the lock button is right inside. So let me push it up a little bit. And then that's the lock button right there inside. Once you go up a little bit right there, you can click it downwards to lock it. So it would go downwards, but again, one hand, guys, tough to do it. And I already loosened this up, so you can move it any way you want. Like this thing turns 360 degrees. You can spin it. It's got the ball joint in the back, so you can spin it whichever way you want. So now I'm thinking to make better videos for you guys, and even if I'm doing a review on a product, this is going to be helpful a lot. So it's only $13 on Amazon. The link is in the description below. There's more, of course, links for the products I got for the Accord, any 2018, 2019, 2020. But yeah, so I'm trying to do is I'm going to actually try to get video here, extend it all the way out, and make a dashboard here to record the front for the stage 2 tune. On stage 1 and 0 to 60, I'm gonna try to do that. If it works, if not, I'll get my one of my friends to help me out. But the main thing is that I could actually put this on the side here, or I can put it right there if I want. But yeah, it's like a little blind spot then if I put it there, or even in the center. You could put it right there in the center. That was perfect right there. You can put it in the center, and you can just face it towards you and put it in any direction you want. And as I said, you can extend it and up and down and extend it towards you. It's all good. Or you could just put it right there, which is perfect. That's perfectly fine too. Or even there if you want to, but that's gonna block, you know, the cup and everything. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I had a phone call, so I kind of stopped my recording. But yeah, I was speaking, if you put it here, you can extend it upwards and push this inwards and extend this up. Yeah, it's tough. Yeah, put it here, extend it all the way up straight, and then you can just put it to the side right there like I did, and just face this downwards, and you're good to go. Yeah, that works too. Yeah, there you go. See, that works too. But it's up to you. Wherever you guys are happy, anywhere would be good. But yeah, the link in the description below for this. I'm gonna use this to get you guys best videos, of course. And thanks for helping me out again, for sharing my channel with your friends and fam, and help me out further even more. And stay tuned. All right, thanks for watching.